In this video I'll be showing you step by step how to make indie rock in Suno AI. It is super simple to do, so the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI and log into your account. Then from here you need to go down to the create button down here, and you can select instrumental or custom song if you want to do that. It doesn't really matter. Then from here you need to go down to song description, where you need to paste in some prompts. And if you don't already have some prompts, then I have a couple indie rock related prompts linked in the description down below that you can check out. They are all free. So let's write something in. Let's choose this one. Indie folk rock. Needs to be soulful, of course. Needs to have acoustic guitar, some violin, soft drums, and of course it needs to be 4/4, and the BPM should be about 90 beats per minute. Then from here you just need to click the create button down here, and now you can see 2 songs that Suno is gonna create for you. And if it doesn't sound like indie rock, you can just try another prompt, or you can try the same prompt again and it will create 2 new songs for you. Let's see how it's gonna sound like. Let's just also check that. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!